it's Jazz Lorraine, and today I'm going to be giving you guys a tutorial on how to build this adorable little puppy. So, be back with you once I set my destination. I'm at my destination, so all you're going to need for this build is some quartz, white clay, and light gray stained clay. You're going to need white wool and black wool. And I forgot about one clay color. I mean two. Red and yellow clay. Okay. So you're going to place this here. No, not quartz. You're going to place some white wool in one spot. 1 second. Let me go back. Let me find out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. You're going to set one here. And you're going to count 4 from here. So, I mean 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Place another one. Build these up 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Build this up 5. And cross over. There's the front 2 legs. And then the body's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 long and 3 high. So from one of the front legs go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then match it up with the other leg and build up 5.
Yep. That one.
And cross. 1, 2, 3 high. And build it up.
3 dogs get a go.
Be back with you once I fill in all this, and then I'll give you the next step. Fill it in, and I'm going to have the front of the face facing out this way towards the village. Let me find out where the tail goes. So it goes right in the center. 1, 2, 1, no. And then this one's 3, and then 2, and then 1. Okay. So let's build his tail. 1, 2. Hey, get away from my dog, whoever. Oh, hey, diamond horse. 1. Then go right here. Then 1, 2, 3. Then 1 up. 2. Like that. Let's go make sure it's identical. And Bingo was his name. So we got the body and tail done. Now time for the head. His body's 5 blocks long, if I remember right, which it is, and his head's 4 blocks wide. So
No, 5.
No, 4.
And his ears are 5.
And then you're going to go like this and build it across. And then 1 more over to the side. And then 1 more over to the side on this side. So far I got a 5 long and 7 long. It goes 5 up, so 6 up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. be back once I fill in his head. Hey, alright, I filled in the head, so right now we just have this
No.
little faceless dog.
I know that.
And-
No, not a horse.
And then
Puppy boy.
we're going to go... Oh, I forgot one more type of wool. We need dark gray wool. Dark gray goes here and here. White wool goes here. Black wool goes like right here. And then pull this in. Oops, don't make that stick out though. Okay, and then do that. That's almost his nose. That's that part of his face done. You use the white clay here, and then you use the light gray clay here. You pile up one more light here, and 3 lights across his nose. Oh, hi, Diamond Horse. What do you need? What? What about it? You want to go see it? Well, oh, you want to go blow it up? Hey, Shy McFly.
What?
Are you fine if Diamond Horse blows up that village over by back behind our dog place? Are you fine?
This?
The village far back. Is it okay? Okay. I'll just give you permission. Shake your head, yes or no. Can he blow up the village? Shake your Minecraft head, yes or no. No. Sorry, Diamond Horse, you're going to have to find a different village. Or you could build a village to blow up. Hey, Okay. So now this is done. And that means there's only one more thing to do. Put the quartz here and here. And put black here. There's your puppy's face done. Wait. I don't think I did this right again. Let me see how high. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yep, I did it right. It just didn't look right at first.
Because it didn't have ears.
Okay, and back here goes 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And then add up 1 layer. Alright, there's the puppy's body done. But we still haven't added the collar. That's what the red and yellow stained clay was for. So, this is how it goes. You do this all the way around right here, almost. Stop here. Goes up right here. I actually made up this design by myself. I was experimenting around for my dog part. And then you put 1 here. And if you look at it, it's really, really cute. Well, it just got broke. Really? Diamond Horse, cut it out. Go build a village if you want to blow up one. You can't blow up that one, though.
I just saw a building.
Okay, so there's that. Wait, there's something wrong here. Wait, what color is this? You don't have to do it in red. You can do it in any color. I just noticed, it might look red on the cam, I'm not sure, but this was actually orange wool that I was building with. I mean, not orange wool, but orange clay. You can do it any color you want, any color you want. And here's the puppy. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and there's only one thing to say. This was adorable. Oh, Diamond Horse wanted me to show you his dog he built. He's on a different PlayStation. That's why he has to nod yes or no. But here's the front of it. Hi, Diamond Horse. And, oh. Okay, I'll show you everything else before underside. Here's its tail and stuff. And then here's its leg lifted up. And see the P? Well, I guess Diamond Horse made this a boy, so he built something under here where the P comes out. And then he built this cute little fire hydrant and a fountain and a little doggy pool. And then I was just going to show you guys one more thing. If you would like to learn how to build this, this is from Plants vs. Zombies. Don't mind the zombie, it's really bad. But leave in the subscriptions, leave in the comments below. I'll look at them after I post the video. Diamond Horse, can you please move? I'm trying to do something for the video, I'm sorry. Aw. Okay, so if you want to learn how to build anything from here, let me know. And oh no! Diamond Horse is getting eaten! Oh no! Ah! 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 Okay. I guess the plant didn't like him either. Okay, well, so I'm gonna give you guys a quick fly around of the world, and then I'll end the video. Here's my little dog park with my puppy, and here's what we built. So leave in the subscription below and subscribe, like, and comment. If there's something you'd like to see me build or show you how to build that you've seen me build on my present videos, then please let me know and I'll give you a tutorial of it. But other than that,